I actually think that I forgot to mention that these inversion questions can be found in your book on page 60 if you would like to see more examples. Alright, now we're going to move on to expressions with the verb avoir. Let's go over the conjugation of avoir real quick. Je fais, tu fais, il ou elle fait, nous faisons, vous faites, ils ou elles font, on fait. Faire, as we know, means to make. Faire is the infinitive form. Alright, so we have several idioms with faire. Remember that faire, will be conjugated according to the noun that precedes it. So, to faire attention is to pay attention. To faire la cuisine is to cook. To faire la vaisselle is to do dishes. To faire les courses is to go grocery shopping, but to faire des achats is to go shopping kind of like for fun. To faire ses devoirs is to do homework. Note that say is a reflexive article, and it means to do your own homework. Kind of like if you wanted to say the birds balance themselves on the branch, you would say les oiseaux se balancent sur les branches. Okay, so the next idiom we have with faire is to faire une promenade, which is to go for a walk. But if you wanted to say faire une promenade à vélo, it would mean just to go on a ride. The next one we have is faire du plus a subject from your school. So that's to do schoolwork. So math would be math. Let's faire du math. If you want to say faire du plus a sport, that would mean you're playing a sport. You can say je vais faire du basket, or je fais du basket. That means you're playing basketball. Simple as that. Moving up here, we have irregular verbs, which are tons of fun. Okay, so let's go in a little bit to the first part. Aller, as you know, means to go. So aller plus an infinitive will mean to be going to do. Aller chercher means to go get or pick up. Now, if you say je vais aller chercher de l'eau, I know that's what it looks like because you can see here, aller chercher is to go get or pick up. You're actually saying, I will go to go get of the water, which literally means just the water. So you actually would not say this is incorrect. This is, let me mark this, incorrect. You would say, je vais chercher de l'eau. Because remember, chercher, aller chercher, aller is conjugated right there, je vais. It already has to go get in it. So it means I will go get the water. Even though it looks like of the water, it's literally translates to I will go get water. Okay, the next irregular verb, which we have idiomatic expressions with, is venir. Venir means to come. Devenir means to become. You can think of this like a guy turning into the Hulk. Il devenir. To revenir means to come back. Venir de plus an infinitive is to have just finished doing something. So, if I wanted to say, I have just finished shopping for fun, I would say, je viens de faire des achats. If I wanted to say I just finished grocery shopping, I would say, je viens de faire faire les cours. To say that you come from somewhere, you would say venir de and add a place at the end. To come from somewhere. I, for instance, would say, je viens de la Louisiane, because that's what I would say to say that I come from Louisiana. Now, if you want to look in your book for aller and venir, you would look at pages 66 for aller and venir. It would be on page 68. If you want to see expressions with faire, you would look at page 58 in your book. Now, we have covered these, and we'll move on to the next part.